Dad is gonna try to put the gas on the other side, and no, he can't. So now he's gonna. Round two. Hey Dad, I don't think it's gonna fit.
What?
I don't think it's gonna fit. I'm making a video for Raheel. I don't think that it's gonna fit. I'm gonna move up some. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna fit. Why didn't you just turn the car around?
Okay. Barely.
I don't know if that's legal or if it's safe.
I'm not gonna, put too much. I'm just gonna put a little bit, so until I can last for, a couple of days.
How much are you gonna put in there?
Well, at least 5 gallons. So through at least it's gonna go until Wednesday without any problem.
Well, it fit. I didn't think it was gonna fit for sure. I thought it wasn't gonna fit. Oh.
Now it fits, but it's not gonna come out.
There you go. Congratulations, Dad. Don't forget to put the close the cap. Hey, what's Baba doing? Baba's sleeping back there. Oh, Baba's sleeping back there. Little baby sleeping.